How to buy CHAINBANK, the CHAINBANK token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account. Make sure to take a look on it. As you can see, they have a big community. Now, after that, how to buy this token is by going to the official website. Now, as you can see, if you click on Get CHAINBANK, as you can see, they show you this things. Now here, make sure to select your crypto that you want to buy with. For example, if you select USDT, ensure how much you want to buy, and this is how much you receive of that token. Now, so let's click on Connect Wallet and select your wallet from here. For example, I will select Bitget Wallet. Now, so that, as you can see, the minimum purchase is $95. So because I don't have any USDT on my Bitget wallet, I will just go to this website and copy this Binance Smart Chain address of that token, and I will go to my Bitget wallet, as you can see, to be able to add this token and buy it from here. Now, to be able to add this token, as you can see, select from here the Binance Smart Chain. For this, I will select Binance Chain, and now I click this little plus icon, and now is the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now just click on plus, on this little plus icon. Now after that, go back and make sure to fill your Bitget wallet by the BNB or USDT, as you can see. Now I will scroll down until you find my token, as you can see, CHAINBANK, and I will click on swap, as you can see. Now I will switch it, and now from here, select your crypto that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Now enter how much you want to buy, as you can see. Now after that, a few seconds, you will be able to see here how much you will receive of that token. So as you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool, please select a different token. So for here, as you can see, this token is not available in this moment. If you wait some days, you will see here how much you will receive, and you will be able to buy it from here. Just wait a few days, like 2 days or 3 days, and you will be able to buy it from Bitget wallet. So this is how to buy the CHAINBANK token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.